Hey guys, in this video, let's rate some of Canada's most popular credit cards solely based on the insurance packages they offer. Now, we're going to take a card's annual fee into consideration here, because obviously, a free entry-level credit card would not have the same insurance package as a card that costs $150 a year. So, if you didn't know, so far in Canada, we have about 17 different insurance coverages for credit cards. If you're curious about the different insurance coverages, check out the video right here. The most common coverages include extended warranty and purchase protection. Many entry-level credit cards offer that. Another important coverage is out-of-province emergency medical coverage. Look, if you're traveling and shit happens, you'll be glad that you have emergency medical bills covered. Rental car and damage is also important if you plan to rent a car when you're traveling. You know, car rental companies will always try to sell you insurance for like 30 to 50 bucks a day. So if you use a credit card with car rental insurance to rent a car, you can basically ignore their sales tactics and save money on insurance. Of course, there's other unique and important coverages too, like mobile insurance. But then again, a credit card's insurance package, while important, should be secondary to what a credit card offers in terms of cashback and rewards. But you know, having a credit card with good insurance package is still important in many situations. So let's go over 20 of the most common credit cards in Canada and rate them on a tier list, solely based on the insurance package they offer. Starting off with the Cobalt Card. Now, the Cobalt Card is like one of the most popular credit cards in Canada. If we're judging solely based on the card's rewards value, this card would be an S tier, no doubt. But we're talking about just the insurance package here, so how does it stack up? Now, this card does offer 10 insurance coverages. I mean, mobile insurance is great, basically 10 solid insurance coverages that gets the job done. The emergency medical coverage for people only under 65 is a missed opportunity, but then again, this card is targeted towards young people, so I guess that makes sense. So like, this card does have a good insurance package, but there's other cards that's got a lower annual fee that's got a better insurance package, so the Cobalt card's gonna go into the A tier, maybe a low A. We'll see. Next, the Rogers Mastercard. I mean, there's no insurance coverage. Look, it's a free card. Technically, it's an entry-level card. I mean, the rewards are great, no doubt about that, but we're talking about the insurance package here, so D tier. Look, it's a free card. I technically can't rate any free cards in F tier. Next, Rogers Red World Elite Mastercard. Also a free card, but the World Elite version. You need $80,000 income to get that card. And guys, it's got 6 insurance coverages. Let's see, purchase protection, extended warranty, that's pretty standard. Out-of-province emergency medical coverage for people over and under 65. Oh my god. There's no way. That's insanely overpowered. And for a free card, yeah, I know it's a World Elite Mastercard, but still, having emergency medical coverage for people over 65 is not that common for any credit cards in Canada. Let's see, trip cancellation, trip interruption, car rental theft and damage. Look, I know that this is a World Elite Mastercard, but it's a free card. This is 6 solid insurance coverages for a free card. I'm gonna have to give this an S tier. It has to be an S tier. Let's take a look at another popular credit card. I would say one of the most popular credit cards for students. The BMO Cashback Student Mastercard, or you could just call it the BMO Cashback Mastercard. Basically the same thing. I mean, they offer the basics, you know, 1-year extended warranty and 90 days of purchase protection. So a solid B tier. Next, let's go into Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite. This card offers 11 insurance coverages, and each coverage is some of the highest in the industry. For example, they offer $1,500 trip cancellation and interruption, which is some of the highest in the industry. Lost or stolen baggage at $1,000 is higher than many credit cards in the $150 annual fee range. For example, the Cobalt card only offers $500 for lost or stolen baggage. I mean, the Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite is a travel card, so it only makes sense for the card to have a very good insurance package as well. So I'm gonna give this card a high A because the next card we're going to be talking about is the Scotiabank Gold Amex. Basically the exact same coverage as Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite, except an extra $1,000 on mobile insurance. Look, mobile insurance is one of the newer insurance coverages right now, but in my opinion, it's actually one of the most useful. Well, the reason is because, well, phones break, screens crack, and they get stolen. That's just life. So the added benefit of having $1,000 of mobile insurance will push this card to an S tier. Maybe a high S tier, we'll see. Next, let's talk about Simplii Cashback Visa Card. One of the best backup cards for restaurants, because the card gives you 4% 2% cashback for dining, but their insurance coverage is just average. I mean, 1 year extended warranty, 90 days of purchase protection, you know, very basic for an entry-level card. Honestly, it's not like you're gonna need warranty or purchase protection for dining anyways, but for the sake of this video, it's gonna be a B tier. Alright, another fantastic backup card, the Tangerine Moneyback card. 3 categories at 2% cashback is pretty good for a free card. But again, this is not a rewards video, it's an insurance video, and the insurance for this card is the same with many other entry-level credit cards. You know, the same old 1 year extended warranty, 90 days of purchase protection, so B tier. Next, Triangle World Elite Mastercard. Again, another fantastic backup card, this time to pay your taxes. The insurance, I mean, it can do better given that this is a World Elite Mastercard. Look, I know that this is a free card, but Rogers has a free World Elite Mastercard and look what they're offering. So Triangle World Elite Mastercard only offers extended warranty, purchase protection, car theft rental, and damages. See, I would hope they offer at least emergency medical insurance, but they don't. Only 3 insurance coverages. Yeah, I know it's a free card, but you know, I would expect a little bit better, so C tier. Come on, it's a World Elite Mastercard. You need to make $80,000 to get this card. Next, let's take a look at Scotiabank Momentum Visa Infinite. 11 insurance coverages is fantastic for a card that's not considered a travel card. Look, it's got mobile insurance and good travel insurance coverage as well. You know, trip cancellation, trip interruption, baggage and flight delays. And you've got car rental insurance. So this card's coverage is actually better than the Cobalt Card, so it's gonna be an A and a higher A than the Cobalt Card. Next, let's talk about CIBC Dividend Visa Infinite. One of the best gas credit cards in Canada with some pretty garbage insurance coverage for the annual fee. Look, this card offers 6 insurance coverages, and for a card with an annual fee of $120, that's trash. Other than emergency medical coverage, which by the way the card only offers 10 days, whereas other credit cards in this price tier offers at least 15 days. So again, other than emergency medical coverage and car rental insurance, the card offers no other travel coverages. Yeah, no flight delay coverage, no baggage delay coverage, no baggage stolen coverage, nothing. I mean, the card does offer $1,000 of mobile insurance, but it's not nearly enough to cover the lack of other coverages. So this will have to be a D tier card for insurance. Next, let's go into the MBNA Rewards World Elite Mastercard. Personally, a super underrated card in which I believe is the best grocery credit card in Canada, because you get 5% rewards at Walmart as well, which is the highest in Canada. Now, what about the insurance package? Get ready for this. 13 insurance coverages. While no individual coverage goes above and beyond, bro, that's still a lot of coverage for a card with an annual fee of $120. In addition, this is the only card in Canada that offers price protection. So if you buy something and see the item at a later date for a cheaper price, apparently MBNA will refund you the price difference. That's an S tier right there, but we're in the S tier. I guess I'll have to rate it below the Scotiabank Gold Amex. I mean, I've never used price protection before, but on paper it sounds good. Next, let's go into Simplycash card from American Express. A very solid entry-level credit card from American Express that offers 3 insurance coverages. Purchase protection, extended warranty, and $100,000 in travel accident. Travel accident is not the same as emergency medical coverage. Travel accident is when you accidentally lose a limb or unalived, knock on wood. That never happens. But because this card offers 1 more insurance coverage than other entry-level credit cards, yeah, the extra insurance coverage isn't a good one, but I'll rate this a high B. Actually, you know what? Closer to a low A. Next, the CIBC Aventura Visa Infinite card. They offer 12 insurance coverages, which is a lot. $1,000 of mobile insurance, emergency medical coverage for people over 65, high coverage amount for trip cancellation and trip interruption, and $2,500 for hotel burglary. That's like one of the highest in the industry. So obviously, the insurance for this card will be an S tier, but the annual fee is $139. I feel like the insurance coverage for this card is very similar to Scotiabank Gold Amex and slightly stronger than the MBNA Rewards with Elite Mastercard, but those cards are only $120 annually. Based solely on insurance, am I willing to pay $19 more for this card? I don't think so, but it's still an S tier, so it's gonna be a low S tier. BMO Cashback World Elite Mastercard. Honestly, one of the most overrated cards in Canada. But in terms of insurance, it's got 13 insurance coverages. And 13 coverages is a lot. I mean, it's one of the most in Canada, but it's missing some key features. Well, here's what I mean. First of all, out of the 13 coverages, they don't include mobile insurance. And I'm not gonna lie, mobile insurance is very important because, you know, phones are important nowadays. And look, emergency medical coverage lasts for only 8 days. That's not a lot, and plus, it doesn't cover for people over 65. So here's the thing, 13 insurance coverages is definitely at least an A tier, but the substance of each coverage, you know, it could be better. So 13 insurance coverages is definitely enough to be at the upper echelon of A tier, but it's definitely not at the level of Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite. Okay, the Amex Green Card. Now, another popular entry-level Amex card. Honestly, it's just another B tier. It's just a standard purchase protection and extended warranty. It's nothing special. National Bank World Elite Mastercard. Now, I like this card. I think it's one of the most underrated cards in Canada. They offer some nice rewards and nice perks. As with most of the cards in this video, I made a video about this card, so check it out. As for insurance, it's 10 insurance coverages, but guys, check this out. 180 days of purchase protection and 2 years of extended warranty. Guys, if I'm buying an expensive appliance, I'm using this card. That's if I have this card, I don't. But bro, 2 years extended warranty? That's unheard of. I think this is the only card that offers that. 60 days of medical insurance and 15 days of medical insurance for people over 65? That's a long insurance coverage. $2,500 for trip cancellation and $5,000 for trip interruption? Look, I don't care if it's only 10 coverages and the annual fee is $150. And it's got mobile insurance? Alright. S tier, easy S tier. I'm gonna rate this above the CIBC Aventura Visa Infinite card. The insurance package they're offering is just that good. Alright, now CIBC Costco Mastercard. I mean, technically it's a free card, but you have to pay at least $65 Costco membership to get this card. Remember, the base membership isn't $60 anymore. They increased it to $65. I guess they're losing too much money to people like me that's constantly eating their bucket-and-a-half hot dogs. So we're gonna treat this like a $65 annual fee card. 3 insurance coverages: purchase protection, extended warranty, and mobile insurance. Honestly, if we're treating this card like a card with an annual fee of $65 a year, I would expect a little bit more coverage. Like, give me 5 days out of province emergency medical coverage. But they don't offer that, so C tier. It's going below the Triangle World Elite Mastercard because the Triangle World Elite Mastercard is actually a free card. Alright, Walmart Mastercards, both the regular version and the World version, doesn't really matter. The only difference is the World version gives you free extended warranty and purchase protection. As you guessed it, the regular version there's no insurance coverages. Here's the thing, you need like $100,000 in household income to qualify for the World version. And to only get the basics like purchase protection and extended warranty, I mean, I would expect a little bit more. I know it's a free card, but come on. So I guess I'll put them D tier above the Rogers Mastercard because at least the World version has some basic insurance. Alright, last but not least, PC World Elite Mastercard. Loblaws has a lot of cards in the lineup and I think this is the best card in the lineup. It's a free card, good rewards at Loblaws branded stores. They offer 4 insurance coverages including emergency medical coverage for people under 65 and car rental insurance. Obviously, this is a free World Elite Mastercard, but the insurance coverage is not even close to what Rogers World Elite Mastercard offers, but it's certainly better than the Triangle World Elite Mastercard. Honestly, I think that the coverage for this card is actually pretty solid given that it's free. So I'll rate this a low A tier card for insurance. I think I rated 20 credit cards already, but I want to do a bonus. The status symbol, the Amex Platinum card. For $799, you're getting 11 insurance coverages. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed. Like, bro, where's mobile insurance? And the emergency medical insurance doesn't include people over 65. Like, this is supposed to be a premium card, like the top of the top. The majority of the people that use this card are over 65. I mean, the other travel insurance coverages are pretty good, but you expect that for a card that costs $800. Dude, only 120 days of purchase protection and 1 year extended warranty? I'm sorry, I'm not impressed. This is a C tier insurance package for the price point. So there you go, 21 of the most popular credit cards in Canada ranked solely based on their insurance package. I mean, I know I missed quite a few cards, but if you guys are interested, let me know, I could do a part 2 in the future. And if you're curious on determining if a credit card's insurance package is good, check out this video. Anyways, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, a like and sub will always be appreciated. And if you're new to the channel, I make financial tips for Canadians in my long form content and financial comedy in my shorts. With that said, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.